back here, dili lamang sa TLS Plus. We're very, very glad to have with us isa ka persona makabig naton niya nga madamo gid ang interesado nga makilala ini siya. Sino ba na ini siya? Wala sa liwan kundi ang bantog nga antique collector. At the same time, isa siya sa makabig natong bantog mga landscapers ng mga dalagpong resorts, hotels. Wala sa liwan kundi ang akon balangin siya napito, tiyo ko, Mr. Gedeon Buyco. Good morning, Tito Gedeon.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Gedeon.
Who is Gedeon Buyco?
Gedeon Buyco. Well, I started off, I left Bacolod after finishing college, and from then on, I came back again after about 30 years. My passion had always been antiques because of my mom's family.
Yes. What triggered your love for collecting antiques?
My mom's elder sister, Tita Ellen Lucasan Ortiz, and my mom and their sisters were very much into this business other than the jewelry business, which they used to have. No, they used to have a shop, a store, a jewelry store, which is now Inaka. Yes, that used to be the house of my Tita Ellen. Yeah, and her house was full of antiques. There were times when I would wake up. I used to stay with them when I was studying in LaSalle. And sometimes in the evening, I would wake up and move around her house and tell myself that I have bought this when I reach a certain age. Well, it is a collection through my several travels through the years. Let's say this is a collection dating back from the 80s. Whenever I go to a certain country, whenever I could afford something, I would buy. But then, when I decided to open a shop in Makati, at the atrium of Makati, which was half of the third floor was my shop. No? Then I started importing from Vietnam, from China, from Bangkok, and then quite a few from Europe.
Yes.
Different parts.
What store is that in Makati?
That was Memorabilia Arts and Crafts.
Oh my gosh, I saw that.
Yes.
So the only issue.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
So, Tito Gedeon, ano ang makabig mo nga gitipigan mo yung collection diri sa mga?
Well, I could show you. It's in another side of the house, which belonged to my Tita Ellen, which was in our Lola's house. Veles, of course, no? And it's a mother of pearl inlay sofa, which if you watch the Mutiny and the Bounty, it was the sofa throne of the Queen of Hawaii. And it's with me.
Wow!
It's with me, yes.
Okay, what else?
Other than that, I think I have other collections from which they don't want me to mention. No, but I have collections from different old families, Manila.
Okay.
Yeah, but sad to say that I don't want their names mentioned, but it's all here.
Yes.